Good morning, happy Saturday everybody. Today's video I just wanted to share a watercolor card that I made for upcoming Easter that I want to go ahead and mail out, and I just wanted to share it with Saturday morning makes. And this is the card that I made. It's a little bunny, and I just put some washi tape here on the inside. Some of the watercolor had gone over onto this side, but I thought, I would just cover up with this washi tape. So it's just a little bunny, and what I did is I have these watercolor cards, watercolor greeting cards from Master's Touch, the Hobby Lobby brand, and I got them when they were 50% off. So there's 10 cards in here, and they're just blank cards like that, watercolor cards. You can paint on any side of the greeting card. So I drew out the bunny, and then I used my Koi watercolors. And this is also, I bought at Hobby Lobby. It's a pocket field sketch box, and I did a review on this. So if you wanted to take a look at that, just search my channel for that. And I really like these colors. I had been using the regular Hobby Lobby brand, but I really like the way that these mixed, and I really love the way the background turned out on this card, and the bunny, I love its little tail. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a greeting in there and mail that out. But so the way I did it, again, I drew the little bunny, then spritzed down the watercolors. It comes with a watercolor fillable tube here, so I used that to paint. Some of the other brushes that I used, well, first I used the big mop brush to wet around the bunny, and then I used the brush that came in the kit. For some of the grass and the texture of the bunny, I used this small little fan brush. For some little details, for shadows, and for the eye, I used this brush here. It's a 0. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a size 0 brush. And for some other texture, I also used this natural Bristol brush. It's from the Fine Touch, which is also a Hobby Lobby brand, and this is a size 5. But pretty much I used the water brush that was included in the kit here. And as far as for the washi tape, I did a video on a small Hobby Lobby haul, and it came in this container, but there was no way of getting to it, so I actually put all my washi tape in this cardboard box here. So I have them all here where I can go ahead and grab them. So that's what I have for my Saturday morning makes. And if you want to see what other folks are doing or want to participate in this, it's just a collaboration, Crafter's Choice, and the hashtag is #SatMornMakes. And this is hosted by Jillian Norwood Designs, and I had found out about it by watching Craft and Tease with Janet Kay. So check out everybody, what they're doing and what they're making for Saturday. And if you want to participate, again, it's just #SatMornMakes, and I will have that in part of my description box. So I hope you like this. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Have a great weekend, everybody. See you soon. Bye.